Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve when 2x whole power x is equals to 2 power 2 power 2 and x belongs x not equals to 0 and will be greater than 0, and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So we can write 2x whole power x is equals to 2 power 4. According to exponent rule, x power m power n is equals to x power mn. Now, again, I'm going to use this rule and we can write it as 2 power x is equals to 2 power 4. So as we know that if the base are equal, their power are also equal. So we can write it as x power x is equals to 4 and x square x power x is x power 2 is equals to 4. So x is equals to plus minus 2. So we know that our x is greater than or equals to 0. So we reject the negative case. So the value of x is 2. Now we have second method also. We can write 2x power x is equals to 2 power 2 power 2. So we can simply use this rule again and we can write 2 power x whole power x is equals to 2 power 2 power 2. So if the base are equal, their power are also equal. So x power x is equals to 2 power 2. If we compare both sides, the value of x is 2. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.